the ultimate plant whisperer. This 4-in-1 soil tester knows what your plants are thinking. Ever wished your plants could just tell you what they need? Meet the Yamron 4-in-1 digital soil moisture meter, your personal plant translator. This high-tech, backlit LCD soil tester doesn't just guess, it measures moisture, pH, temperature, and sunlight levels with laser-sharp accuracy. Forget the trial-and-error method that leaves your plants drowning or gasping for water. This game-changing gadget ensures you get it right every single time. Whether you're a first-time gardener or a green-thumbed expert, this smart soil meter makes plant care scientific, effortless, and fun. Say goodbye to dead plants and hello to thriving greens. Most soil testers only measure moisture, but this all-in-one powerhouse does 4 jobs at once. It checks pH levels to ensure your plants aren't suffering from soil imbalance, monitors temperature so your greens don't fry or freeze, and analyzes sunlight intensity to determine if your plants are getting enough rays. The next-gen probe detection technology, 2024 edition, delivers fast, precise readings so you can make informed adjustments. No more plant guessing games, this smart soil meter takes the mystery out of gardening. Whether you're growing succulents, flowers, veggies, or trees, this tool is your ultimate plant lifesaver. Ever tried reading a tiny, faded display while juggling a watering can? Not fun. That's why this large-screen LCD meter features a white backlight for crystal-clear visibility, even in pitch darkness. Whether you're adjusting moisture levels before sunrise or checking pH at midnight, this screen ensures you never miss a detail. Plus, the rotating 45-degree head lets you view readings from different angles without straining your back. No more squinting or bending awkwardly, just tilt and read. This ergonomic design makes plant care easier, more efficient, and way more enjoyable for every gardener. Using this high-tech soil guru is easier than making instant noodles. Just stick the probe into the soil, about 4 inches deep, wait 10 seconds, and boom, instant readings. No apps, no complicated setups, just plug, measure, and grow. The lightweight, portable design makes it perfect for gardeners on the go. Plus, it runs on 4 AAA batteries, not included, ensuring long-lasting performance. One important tip: moisten dry soil before testing to prevent damage to the probe. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced grower, this soil meter ensures you water, feed, and adjust lighting at the perfect time every time. Whether you're tending to houseplants, garden beds, or a full-blown farm, this rugged soil meter works indoors and outdoors with professional accuracy. Its durable construction, high-tech sensors, and precise measurements make it a gardener's dream tool. No more wasting money on dying plants, bad soil, or unnecessary fertilizers. This device helps you make scientific decisions that maximize growth and save you time and cash. With its multifunctional capabilities, easy-to-read display, and hassle-free operation, it's a must-have tool for every plant lover. Upgrade your gardening game today, your plants will thank you.